slope and scroll this down, we come to customization. Then from customization, we come to branding. Then from there, that is where we click on change. Then we go to our desktop where we saved our design and place it there because we want to see. Are you seeing that? So the cover was, I don't know what we were designing now. Okay, all devices, viewable on all devices. So it is left out. Let me first see. Okay, so now we go with this. For the best results on all devices, use an image that at least has these pixels. So now we are going to get this and redesign something from what we already have. So if we get this and go to our Photoshop, we first put this off, this also off. Now we get this new. Then from here in our pixels, we'll put that. Then when we get here, also we get this one here and do the same thing. Okay, then change this to 72 and click create. So if we get this, so if we get this and move them to here and drag and drop. Okay, so if we control minus, then control plus. So we slope it down. Okay, then we press enter. So we assume that is what we want. Then we click save, save as FT, then JPEG. So I'm using random names, then save on the desktop, then okay. So wait and see. So it is like not responding, nothing is responding. I believe maybe it is due to my internet. Okay. So we hold on to respond. Sorry. So let us wait for it to like, I'll be showing you that step. Let us first wait and see. So let us first stop it.